How to edit and change default content source on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First open your browser and then click settings, and now once you're here click click search, and then go to search here, and that's it. Select anything you want here, and then select, and then just click save. It will be saved, and now as you see you can change it whenever you want. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.